Hamad, when you look around the world, you see a number of potential supply chain risks, whether it's in your region and the ongoing terrible, tragic conflict between Israel and the Palestinians. In our part of the world, there are risks surrounding Taiwan, there's Russia, Ukraine, and then, of course, you mentioned US and China bilateral tensions. How then can AI navigate and prevent these risks from becoming worse?
The way trade experts are seeing AI different than other technologies historically, the fact that it will start to provide more decision made based on this technology. So it will help businesses, it will help shippers and traders and producers to make a number of decisions based in many factors. Again, the conflicts and geopolitics is part of that factors, but there are many other factors, including the sustainability and the emissions of carbons, etc. So we see AI will support decision-making in all of these restructuring of supply chain, whether the locations of producers or the routes of trades, and a number of other elements going forward.
Because?
Yes. Hamad, welcome to Singapore. One question. We talk a lot about supply chains, regionalization, but I think our focus has probably been too narrow. Semiconductors, commodities, shipping. But your report, Decoupling and Reconfiguring, is even broader. What was surprising to you and your team beyond these three areas I just mentioned? Where should investors be focused? Again, beyond semiconductors, shipping, and commodities, which I think the world is already focused on. But what's another area that came up in your research that you think the world should be paying attention to this also?
Well, we believe that everybody been saying that this globalization or decoupling is only a temporary phenomena. What we believe it is a long-term phenomena, and people really need to re-look at their supply chain beyond the fact that it is just something that if the election in U.S. will go one way or another, things will change. This is a fact. This is a fact for long-term, and all the businesses need to keep this in mind. Otherwise, they will have to deal with even more complexity, more uncertainty. We see the growth of services, especially trade services, is very important, the way forwards. And we hope that this will continue to drive the trade growth going forward.